Oxygen-rich smelting, which is more and more widely used in copper smelting, is able to not only increase the output of copper manufacturing equipment, but also greatly reduce energy and fuel consumption. In recent years, the VPSA and PSA oxygen generation process using molecular sieves, whose product oxygen purity reaches 90% to 93%, has been widely applied all over the world. It's enough to meet the requirements of oxygen-enriched smelting. The copper refining process includes copper ore melting into blister copper and follow-up refining. Most copper ores contain sulfur impurities, and the sulfur reacts with oxygen, generally around 600 degrees Celsius, which can only be achieved after blowing hot air and heavy oil to support the combustion. At this time, added enriched oxygen is critically helpful to increase production and save heavy oil, which means a stable oxygen supply can greatly uplift the smelting efficiency. VPSA and PSA oxygen generation technology used for enriched oxygen production have been widely used in the copper smelting industry. PKU Pioneer's VPSA and PSA oxygen unit, featured by a small footprint, easy maintenance and molecular sieves with more than 10 years service life, adopts an intelligent control system to achieve unattended operation, stable running and energy saving. It is more and more widely used in copper smelting, and excellent reviews from customers were received.